Verifying your bank account on Hamsket is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is properly set up and secure. Step 1. Open Hamsket. Launch the Hamsket application on your device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance and security. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Shrug to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Bank Account Verification. In the Settings menu, find the option for Bank Account Verification. Click on it to begin the verification process for your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank details, review all the information once more. If everything is correct, click the Confirm or Submit button to complete the verification process. You should receive a confirmation message once your bank account is successfully verified. By following these steps, you can easily verify your bank account on Hamsket. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or contact customer support for assistance.